On March 26, 2025, India's Ministry of Defence signed a 6,900 Indian rupees crore contract with Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced Systems for 307 advanced towed artillery gun systems, ATAGS, and 327 high-mobility gun towing vehicles. This marks the first major artillery procurement from the private sector, boosting firepower with 155mm 52 caliber guns developed in partnership with DRDO. Over 65% of components are sourced domestically, with plans to further reduce import reliance. With a range exceeding 48 kilometers and cutting-edge automation, ATAGS will modernize India's artillery forces while creating up to 20 lakh man-days of employment, strengthening both national security and local industry. In a decisive step toward artillery modernization and defense self-reliance, India's Ministry of Defence on March 26, 2025, awarded contracts worth 6,900 Indian rupees crore to Bharat Forge Limited and Tata Advanced Systems Limited for the supply of 307 advanced towed artillery gun systems, ATAGS, and 3276 6x6 high-mobility gun towing vehicles. This procurement replaces legacy systems with advanced 155mm 52 caliber platforms designed by DRDO in collaboration with the private sector. Bharat Forge is set to deliver 184 units, with Tata supplying 123, marking the first large-scale artillery induction from Indian private companies. The ATAGS platform features a 48+ km firing range, a fully automated loading mechanism, integrated fire control, and enhanced recoil absorption. With over 65% indigenous content, covering major components such as the barrel, breech, recoil, and firing systems, the program exemplifies India's push for strategic autonomy. This contract is part of the MoD's broader 1 Indian rupee 40 lakh crore capital procurement plan for FY 2024-25 and is expected to generate significant employment and industrial growth, contributing to over 20 lakh man-days of work across the defense supply chain.